जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगमु 10th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, under my supervision, this Prakriti produces all beings that are movable, immovable, sentient and insentient. And this Prakriti produces all beings according to their previous actions. For Arjuna, under my supervision, having this Prakriti producing this entire Srishti, and I am the one who is making sure this Srishti is functioning. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that under his supervision, this Srishti is brought out, and under his supervision, this entire Srishti is functioning. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya जगद्धि परिवर्तते। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. And Krishna Paramatma says, if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasamyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, when Chaturmukha Brahma started desiring his own daughter, all his sons Maricha and other Prajapatis saying to Chaturmukha Brahma like this, O Prabhu, desiring own daughter, expressing lust towards daughter is not done in previous kalpam and should not be done now and should never be done in future. Desiring own daughter is such a bad activity, and you are such a great man. You should be setting up certain values, morals, principles in this world. O Prabhu Chaturmukha Brahma, for welfare of this entire world, for Loka Kshemam, you should not be doing these kind of things. Like this, all Prajapatis said to Chaturmukha Brahma, and then they all started praying. All Prajapatis started praying Sriman Narayana and started saying like this, Tasmai Namo Bhagavate Ya Idam Svena Rochisha. Hey Bhagavan, O Sriman Narayana, you are the one, the cause of this entire Srushti, and you should be the one who should be making sure that no unrighteous activities takes place in this Srushti. Like that, all Prajapatis prayed Sriman Narayana. When they are praying Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma heard that, and he felt so ashamed. He did noticed the mistake that he has done, and he also felt ashamed that his own sons complaining to Sriman Narayana about his sin, about his mistake. For all this, Chaturmukha Brahma felt so ashamed, and then Tanvam Tatyaja Vriditaha. Then he left his body. After leaving his body is taken by all directions, like east, west, south, north, like that. And these directions made Chaturmukha's leftover body as a fog, so that this fog would be covering all the directions. This fog would not let us see these directions clearly. That is how Chaturmukha's body, leftover body, turned out as fog in all directions. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter 10th श्लोक। मयाध्यक्षेन प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरं हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्धि परिवर्तते। मयाध्यक्षेन प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरं हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्धि परिवर्तते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।